This is Priyanshu from Heritage Institute of Technology, Kolkata, and I'm pursuing computer science and engineering, and I'm in my third year. I have been the competitive programming lead in Google Developers Students Club for the past 2 years, and I'm an ML enthusiast. So here's my walkthrough for the NLP challenge.
So first I've imported the necessary modules, the dataset. You'll notice I'm using Google Colab instead of Jupyter because the data set was quite heavy and the model was heavy, so my local system couldn't run that, so I had to use a GPU. So I used T4 GPU provided by Google. So my first task was to drop the duplicates and then clean the data, like we remove any unnecessary HTML tags and punctuation marks, and then I created a vocabulary using counter, and before that I tokenized the words. Now tokenize means, like, for example, this sentence: I thought this movie did a downright good job. So I have to split it into separate words. I thought this movie into separate words. Now counter gives me the frequency of all the words. Then I converted it into a dictionary or a hash map. Then I encoded them to get me the just indexes so that I'll be able to access it later on. Then I make set the length to be 100, and then I padded them. Like, for example, if my encoded string length is greater than 100, it's post truncated, and it's if it's smaller than 100, it's pre post truncated, post padded, that is padded with zeros. Then I've made a model, converted the data set and into tensors and tensor data set, and then used RNN model. So my model comes out to be this much. So let's try it. Let's take, for example, a positive test. Just a second. Yeah, so this gives me positive. Let's try for another. It gives me negative. So I think looks like I'm good to go. I want to join fellowship.ai because it will provide me with actual world real time experience on industry level projects. I'll have mentorships from mentors who have experience and will guide me through real life problems and problem solving skills. It will be a collaborative working environment, so industry collaboration and communication will be quite beneficial, and will be following industrial protocols. So that's a good opportunity to learn and develop my networking.